Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our Quranic Arabic for Beginners course. If you have always wanted to understand the Quran in its original language, then you are in the right place, inshallah ta'ala. Of course, we will learn Quranic Arabic step by step from the Arabic alphabet to vocabulary, grammar, and understanding the verses from the Quran, inshallah ta'ala. Today, Arabic. Okay, today's goal is simple: to become familiar with all 28 Arabic letters. Okay, don't worry about memorizing everything today. Just listen carefully, repeat after me, and enjoy the learning process. Okay, let's begin. There is our first lesson, lesson 1, letters of the alphabet. Okay, repeat each letter, repeat each letter. Listen carefully, repeat each letter after me. Okay, this is alif, this is ba, ta, sa. Okay, let's try again. Alif, ba, ta, sa. Then jim, ha, ha. Try again. Jim, yes, ha, ha. Okay, let's read from the first. Alif, ba, ta, sa. Jim, ha, ha. Very easy, right? Okay, then again. Alif, ba, ta, sa. Jim, ha, ha. Alif, ba, ta, sa. Jim, ha, ha. Alif, ba, ta, sa. Jim, ha, ha. Okay. Then we have dal. Dal. It's called dal. Dal, zal. Dal, zal. Repeat after me. It is dal and zal. Yes, you got it. Then ra, za. Just listen carefully, okay? Don't trouble your brain, okay? Ra, za. Ra, za. Ra, za. Za. Okay, little faster. Alif, ba, ta, sa. Jim, ha, ha. Dal, dal, ra, za. You got it. Very easy and very simple. Okay, don't worry. And then we have seen, sheen, sod, bod. Seen, sheen, sod, bod. Seen, sheen, sod, bod. And then ta, va, ain, ghain. Ta, va, ain, ghain. Ta, va. Just listen, okay? Ta, va, ain, ghain. Fa, qaf. Fa, qaf. It is fa and it is qaf. Fa, qaf. Kaf, lam, kaf, lam, mim, noon, ha, waw, ya. Fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, ha, wow, ya. Okay, let's repeat all the alphabets little faster. Okay, alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, ha, dal, ذال, ra, za, sin, shin, صاد, ضاد, طاء, ظاء, عين، غين، فاء، قاف، كاف، لام، ميم، نون، ها، واو. Yeah, you got it. Very easy. Okay. Few important facts about Arabic. The Arabic alphabet has 28 letters. Okay. How much letters? 28 letters. Arabic is written from right to the left, unlike English. English is written left to right. Okay. And every letter has a unique sound, and many of these sounds do not exist in English. Don't worry if some letters feel difficult today. With practice, they will become very natural to you. Okay, don't worry. In the coming lesson, in the next lesson, we'll learn the correct pronunciation of every letters one by one and practice reading real Quranic words. Okay, got it? Yes. Let's quick review the alphabet one last time. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, ha, dal, ذال, را, za, sin, shin, صاد, ضاد, طاء, ظاء, عين، غين، فاء، قاف، كاف، لام، ميم، نون، ha, wow, yeah. And there is another letters, okay, but we don't count in the Arabic alphabet, and it's called Hamza. Okay, we'll learn later, inshallah. Thank you for learning with me today. I know my microphone sounds is not good. My camera also not sharp and not good. Okay, thank you very much for learning with me today. In the next lesson, we will begin with the first few letters in details, and we will learn their pronunciation, how to write them, and how they appear in the Quranic words. Okay, I think you enjoyed this lesson. Uh, don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who wants to understand the Quran in Arabic. May Allah make learning the Quran easy for all of us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.